Hi, I am Harshal Joshi. I am Debt Fund Manager of Conservative Hybrid Fund. The Conservative Hybrid Fund is a mix between equity and debt. Predominantly, on an average, the debt is around 75 to 80%. Equity is obviously the balance. The fund currently is trying to focus and invest into duration, as a predominant strategy. So if you observe the way the fund is invested into government securities on an average maturity basis at around 10 to 12 years currently. And the fund is looking forward to this strategy because recently we had seen RBI had cut rates by 25 basis points. RBI is actively supporting the market via liquidity. One of the moves that RBI had done for that liquidity is OMO purchases. We have incrementally a further view of around 25 to 50 basis point of rate cut in next 3 to 4 policies. We incrementally continue to believe that RBI is going to provide liquidity via OMO purchases going ahead as well. So we want to continue with the strategy of duration, create duration via investing into the government securities. While at the shorter end, we try to maximize the yield spread. So you'll observe the portfolio also has some sort of corporate bonds which are concentrated at 1-2 years, where the spread between, say for example, a 1-year T-bill and the papers that we are holding is pretty wide. So we're trying to create kind of a barbell where at the short end, the fund is investing, focusing on the corporate bonds because the yields are very attractive. But the fund is creating the duration via investing at the longer end, especially via the GSEC. See, any hybrid fund logically is a natural hedge if you think from a longer term perspective. So this fund actually suits for an investor who is looking to diversify their portfolio between debt and equity. The fund does the job for you. You don't have to redeem and find the schemes which suits you as an investor. But the ideal investment horizon, since the fund is 75% of debt, I would recommend at least around 3 to 5 years should be the ideal investment horizon or more when you're looking to invest into a conservative hybrid.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.